All right, we're here at Pocketeer. It's an arcade bar, billiards, and pinball. It is March 28th, 2026. It's 11:19 a.m. It's a Saturday. Let's check this place out. Look at that darts area over here. Lots of darts. Oh, that's pretty cool. Good, how are you? Good. Just take a little video, if that's okay. Oh, thank you.
Stays on the ice, except Raymond is going to X. So
it's a pinball area. Tons of pinball.
And indeed, as the period comes to an end, only goal coming to Tate Thompson in that frame.
Yeah, much better period for the Sabres. This is the big thing the coaches talked about, A, staying out of the box, but B, getting your feet going, getting to your game. And they did that right from the beginning and face off here in the second period. They come out buzzing, able to get that one goal, but they're carrying some momentum here. That power play they just had, a lot of good opportunities, get a lot of momentum from that. Now you got to carry it over into the third.
Yeah, certainly without shooting, Detroit putting the pressure on all three Sabres, but still a 2-goal deficit. They say Petty going to bring in for the third period. Second intermission coming next. We're going down. Line from Quebec City. Detroit 3, Sabres 1. Sweet new boots, man. Where'd you get them from? Thanks, I got them from. Is that you got them in yet?
Yeah, man. I got this baby.
Now, tell me you got the tickets.
Yep, I got them from.
No.
Alright, let's go.
What?
Take your game to the next level with GTO Wizard. Practice against GTO on all your devices. Study any situation using our revolutionary AI-powered solver. And histories to uncover these leaks. We have hundreds of hours of coaching from top pros, cutting-edge theory articles, and custom study plans to help guide your poker journey. GTO Wizard, the best way to get better at poker.
Like in medicine, great achievements in sports require hard work, long hours, and determination. The outcome in both is worth the effort. LECOM is among the largest and most applied to medical schools, with 4 campuses nationwide, offering student-centered learning and a nearly 100% residency list. The Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine. We make dreams a reality. We make numbers.
Well, if you're looking for somebody else that might have the touch against John Gibson in his career, and he had the 1.11 in that second period, Bo Byron has 3 goals on Gibson over his 9 games played. Changes up to 3. Gibson as well. I know it's up to anybody in this Sabres lineup. Zucker's got 8. You've got Alex Tuck with 6. But that man right there, I think, really put an effort in to make an impact on this game, Rob. We'll see if he can do so in this third period.
Yeah, he's been really getting involved in the offensive zone, especially that second period, logging the puck, play aggressive. And I think that's what we need to be here in this third period. Get the pressure back on Detroit as quick as possible.
Red Wings obviously have some dangerous players to counter, but down a pair.
There's another area over here. Arcade machines and more pinball. love this pinball machine. I'm a big Aliens fan.